Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Lindeman with Hydra-Flex. Let's talk about the Aqua-Rocket industrial cleaning nozzle. The Aqua-Rocket's controlled rotating power has been cleaning since 2017, but now we've expanded your options to tackle a wider range of jobs. The original blue Aqua-Rocket operates up to 5,600 PSI and is now called the Aqua-Rocket Pro because of its impact in the professional cleaning room. Its rotating stream covers a 22-degree cone of coverage that runs from 1,500 to 5,600 PSI at 1.8 to 11.2 gallons per minute. If you need a lower pressure option, don't worry, we've got you covered. Our yellow Aqua-Rocket operates from 750 to 3,600 PSI at 0.9 to 5.2 gallons per minute. It's perfect if your unit operates at a lower pressure or to take on the jobs that don't need as much force. Plus, it's priced to get the job done without breaking your budget. It's a great tool for smaller machines, independent contractors, and new or emerging pressure washing businesses. Both nozzles offer an unmatched combination of power, rotation, and control to clean the toughest, dirtiest surfaces. At Hydra-Flex, it's always our goal to develop products that save. Save time and money, save water, reduce waste. We want to make your life easier. The Aqua-Rocket does all that and more. In head-to-head testing against competing nozzles, ours cleaned 42% faster. Imagine how many more jobs you can complete with that kind of efficiency. It's also the most durable nozzle on the market thanks to the premium materials used and the quality of the design. During life testing, competitors lasted on average of 22 hours. The Aqua-Rocket lasted more than 200 hours. That saves you an average of $400 on the cost of the nozzle alone. These nozzles truly pay for themselves, incredible return on your investment, long life, and efficient performance. So how does it work? It's all thanks to Hydra-Flex's signature flow straightening technology. Our engineers design each nozzle to create laminar flow, which is a smooth, streamlined flow where all the molecules move in the same speed at the same direction. Competitor nozzles have turbulent flow, which is swirling and chaotic and can't clean with as much force, accuracy, or efficiency. Our stream quality clearly tells the story. The proof is in the numbers. Competitor nozzles produce an average of about 3 pounds of force, while the Aqua-Rocket was measured at over 6 pounds of force to nearly double the competition. Our engineering excellence also shows up in the nozzle's operation. Competitors with ceramic tips can only start pointing down. That wastes a lot of water and time. The Aqua-Rocket, with its tungsten carbide tip, can start in any direction, up, down, sideways, diagonal. Wherever your dirty surface is located, the Aqua-Rocket can clean it immediately. The Aqua-Rocket isn't just efficient and powerful, it's also versatile. If you need something clean, this is the nozzle to do it. Our customers have used this nozzle for almost every application imaginable, including heavy equipment, production facilities, food processing facilities, livestock barns, concrete cleaning, roller coasters, peanut broilers, car washes, environmental cleanup, surface prep, graffiti, and so much more. Whew. That's a big list. Have another one to add? Let us know what you use the Aqua-Rocket to clean. Now you know all about the Aqua-Rocket and the Aqua-Rocket Pro and why they're the perfect choice for any cleaning challenge. Want to learn more? Contact me and my team to ask questions, set up a demo, or connect with a dealer in your area. We're always here to help. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and learn more about Hydra-Flex and all our nozzles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.